Welcome students. Today we are going to start with our 7th chapter, that is joint bar graph. Practice set 31. Now before starting joint bar graph, let me introduce you how it is drawn, because in 6th chapter you have studied only about drawing bar graph. So here I have drawn two graphs. I have drawn. The first one is a bar graph which you have already studied. This upper one is a bar graph. In bar graph, only single data was used to be given. Suppose these are the number of classes which I have shown on x-axis and the number of students in that class. In A division, suppose there are 5 students. In B division, suppose there are 5 students, or any number, say 6 students. So like this, class wise you used to draw the data with the help of this bar graph, single rectangular box, that were called as a bar graph. In that, x-axis, horizontal one is called as a x-axis, vertical one is called as a y-axis, and the intersection of both the axes is called as a origin. Okay, it was represented by 0. Now we have to draw this second one is a joint bar graph. Joint bar graph. In this, suppose in A division there are boys and girls together. I have to show the data. So here A division, the half which one I have shaded in index, you have to show the shaded one are boys and the unshaded one are the girls. Like this, together I have to show the data, that will be called as a joint bar graph. So here together in A division, the shaded one are boys and the unshaded one are the girls. Means in A division there are 4 boys and 3 girls. In B division, how many are shaded? 6. So 6 one are what? Boys. And unshaded means how many are the girls in B division? 4. So like this, together we are showing that, together we are joint and showing the data, that is called as a joint bar graph. In single we are showing the data, that was the bar graph. Here together we are showing of two things, we are showing in one, that will be a joint bar graph. So let us see how to draw the joint bar graph with the help of some examples. See here the first question, I have already written the question. Practice at 31. The number of saplings planted by schools on a World Tree Day is given in the table below. Draw a joint bar graph to show these figures. So here is the data. How many saplings? Two schools. One is the Nutan school and one is Bharat school Vidyalay. So here these are the data of the two schools. How many saplings they have planted? These are the name of the saplings. Almond saplings planted by Nutan Vidyalay 40, Bharat Vidyalay 42. Second sapling Karanj, Nutan Vidyalay planted 60, Bharat Vidyalay 38. Third one is Neem. 72 was planted by Nutan and Bharat Vidyalay planted 16. Similarly, Ashok and Gulmore, their data is given. So let us draw the question to be written on this page. And here graph page you will draw the graph, joint bar graph. So before starting we have to draw the axis. You all know you can start from any dark line, from down also you can start, or here also from any side you can start. So I'm starting from here, from dark line you should start. The horizontal one, which one I am drawing, this one is your x-axis. You have studied this already in 6th standard. The horizontal axis is called as a x-axis. Now the vertical one will be called as a y-axis. So this one is your y-axis. Vertical one is called as a y-axis. Horizontal one is called as a x-axis. And intersection of this both the axis is called as origin, and it is represented by 0. Now let us see this number of saplings which are planted. We will show them on y-axis, and the name of the saplings we will show on x-axis. So the number, now we have to select the scale for it. This one box is this one box is a 1 centimeter. In that 10 small boxes are there. So one on y-axis, how much you are taking? 1 centimeter equals to how much saplings? These are all saplings, number of saplings. So how many saplings you are taking for one box? Like that we will go on plus. So here the maximum number I think it is 72 and minimum number it is 15. So we can take 1 centimeter as 10 and maximum we can show till 80. So I'll take this one box that is 1 centimeter as 10 saplings. So next box exactly above it will be 20. You have to add, go on adding 20 till last is 72. So you can take it till around a figure 80. So I'll show 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, here 80. You can go 2 3 extra also, you can show, no problem. So till 100 I have shown. Now let us start one by one sapling. The first sapling is almond. You can leave one box, you can start from second box. Almond. So almond 1 centimeter, how many saplings we have taken? As 10. So you'll write here 1 centimeter equals to 10 saplings. Now there are two schools. So one school you will show with a shaded one school you will show with a light one. The unshaded one I am putting as Nutan Vidyalaya. So you have to show that in index. Nutan Vidyalaya. And unshaded one Bharat Vidyalaya. So this should be there, otherwise the marks will be deducted. So first sapling which they planted is almond. Let us show Nutan how many have planted? 40. So in one box only half part you have to show with Nutan and half we have to show with Bharat. So 40 is here. So half I have to show like this. This one is of Nutan. So Nutan I am shading because Nutan Vidyalaya has planted 40 of almond. Now Bharat Vidyalaya has potted 42, planted 42. So 40, the small 2 box if you go up, it will be 42. So little 2 box you have to go up. Okay. 2 box up, that will be the 42. And these are Bharat Vidyalaya. So Bharat Vidyalaya we are unshaded. So keep it as it is. So we have finished with the almond. Let's move to the second sapling, Karanj. Leave one box. Here you will write Karanj. Karanj 60 of Nutan. So here is your 60. Half box you have to show 60, that is of Nutan Vidyalaya, that is shaded one. And 38. 30, above 30, this small box 8 you have to go up. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 means below 2 for 40. So this will be 38. So this one is Bharat Vidyalaya, 38. Leave one box, go for third sapling, that is Neem. Neem how many? 72 for Nutan. So above 70, small 2 box up. Small 2 box up. This one is Nutan, so I'll shade it. And 60 for Bharat Vidyalaya. So 60 is already in your scale directly. So this one is the Bharat Vidyalaya. No need of shading. Fourth plant is Ashok. Ashok is 15 for Nutan. So about 10, 5 lines. So this will be your 15. This is Nutan. And 25 means about 25 lines, small box. This will be the 25. 25. This one is Bharat Vidyalaya. Last one is Gulmohar. 42 for Nutan. So above 42 lines. This one is Nutan. and Bharat Vidyalaya 40 you have directly. So this one is 40, see, 40. So we have written the scale, we have written the axis name, y-axis, vertical one. This one, horizontal one, is x-axis, and the intersection point is 0. And these are name of saplings, so you can write it, name of saplings. And this one are number of saplings, so you can write here number of saplings. So just check it, all you have written, axis name, scale, you have shaded the part which one is to be shaded, like this. So here we have done the question number 1. Students, let's see now second sum. The table shows the number of people who had the different juices at a juice bar on a Sunday and a Saturday. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. Again you have to draw a joint bar graph. Here is the data, fruits, juices which they have consumed, the days on which they have consumed. On Saturday, sweet lime was consumed by 43 people. Sunday, 59 people consumed. In orange, 30 on Saturday. Sunday, 65. Apple, 56. Sunday, 78. Pineapple, Saturday, 40, and Sunday, 67. So let us draw. Before that, you have to draw the axis. So already axis I have drawn. The horizontal one is the x-axis, vertical one is the y-axis. The intersection is origin 0. So let's start. Before that, let's consider the scale. On y-axis, 1 centimeter equals to how much you are considering. Now here the number is, see, the maximum number, I think so it is 78, and minimum number it is 30. So you can take it as 10 only. So 10, 1 centimeter I am taking as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. You can show some extra also, no problem. Now after marking the scale, this is 1 centimeter equals to 10. These are juices, 10 juices. Okay, now we'll show the fruits on the x-axis. Leave one box. The first box of fruit is, will show us sweet lime. Sweet lime, Saturday how many people are consuming? 43. So half part you will show 43, half part you will show 59. So 43 means above 43 lines you have to show. This is above 43 lines. And here this one is of Saturday, shaded one, and unshaded one is Sunday. So this we have shown of Saturday, so I'll shade it. Now Sunday how many? 59. 59 means 50 above 9 boxes. So here. So this is sweet lime, 59 people. Now orange. Next to a fruit juice, orange. On Saturday 30 people consume it. So 30. This one is Saturday, so shade it. And 65 on Sunday, so about 65 lines. So this one is 65. So this one is of Sunday. Next juice is apple. Leave one box. Let's draw for apple. 56. So Saturday 56. So above 56 lines. So here 56. This one is of Saturday, so shade it. Sunday it is 78. So above 78 lines. 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is of apple, Sundays. Now pineapple 40 on Saturday, so this is 40, and this one is 67, so about 67 lines. 65, 66, 67. This one is Saturday, you have to shade it. So here we have done, these are the fruits and these are the number of days. Juices, not sorry, days. So here we have done with our second question. Let us see now third sum of joint bar graph. The following number of votes were cast at 5 polling booths during the Gram Panchayat elections. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. This is the data table given. These are the booth numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the persons, how many men and women have given the votes in each booth. Men 200 in first booth, women in 700, like this. The numbers are given to you. Let us draw the axis first. Already I have drawn the axis on graph paper. Horizontal one is x-axis, the vertical one is the y-axis, and the intersection is origin, it is O, 0. Now this booth number we will show on x-axis and the number of persons we will show on the y-axis. For that we have to select a scale. So scale on y-axis, 1 centimeter equals to how much you will take. Now these are the 3-digit numbers, so you can't take it 10. The maximum number is, I think so, it is 850, and the minimum number it is, I think so, 200. So you can take it as 100. So 1 centimeter, now we can't take 10, we have to take 100 at least. So 100 persons, these are persons. So one box means 1 centimeter, now we are taking as 100. So if you are taking 100, the other box will be 200. You have to plus, go on plus 100. So next box will be 300, 400. Maximum is 850, so till 900 also you can show. 1000, no problem. 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and the last one is 1000. Can show extra also. So let us draw the first booth. We will leave one box. We'll start from here. The first booth number 1. In that, shaded one will be of men and unshaded will be of women. So let us draw the first booth. How many are men who have voted election during time? 200. So half part of one box will show men, that is 200. This one half part 200. Join to this will show women. Women are how many? 700. So here are 700. So join to this only you have to show. In the booth number 1, the shaded one are men 200 and 700 are the women who have voted during election time. Now leave one box. Second booth. Second booth, how many men are there? 270. So 270 means above 200, 7 lines. 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So above that 7 lines. That will be your 270. This is 270, that are men. And how many are women? 240. So about 200, only 4 lines. So this will be the 240, that are women. Booth number 2. Now 3, booth number 3, leave one box, that is booth number 3. 560 are men. So above 500 you have to come to 6 lines up. So that will be 560. So this is 560, they are men. And women are 340. So above 300, 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 300 is 4 lines. This will be 340. These are women in booth number 3. Now booth number 4, leave one box. For booth number 4, 820 are men. So above 800, 2 boxes you have to go up. That will be the 820. 800 is this. So 820. 820. These are men, so we'll shade it. How many are women? 640. So above 600, 4 lines. So this 640 will be here. Now booth number 5. 850 are men. So 800, above 800, 5 box up. This will be the 850. They are men, so shade it. How many are women? 470. So above 400, 7 lines. This is 5, 6, 7. 7 lines. So here we have done. Now just write these are what booth numbers on x-axis, and these are number of persons. So here you will write number of persons. So here we have written, we have shown the scale, number how much you have taken, and we have completed our 3 sums. In the next part we will see question number 4, 5 and 6. Till then practice till here.